Mark Lobliner, Machine Militia. Friday, November 22nd this week, it's my birthday. The Machine is turning 33 years old. The aging machine, Rusty. Check it out. I'm going to celebrate my good friends, Tommy Jeffers, Chad Austin, Josh Plattner, owner of Club Reps. Maybe even Ryan Doris can make it. I don't know. I haven't really confirmed with him. We'll at least be there. I'll be there. Check it. My brother, Aaron Lobliner. The amazing IFPA Pro Aaron Probliner. Club Reps. Chest workout. Friday night. 7 p.m. Naperville, Illinois. Afterwards, we gonna go eat. It's my birthday. Okay, we're all going to meet up in the Midwest states the next day, November 23rd in DeKalb, OCB show pro qualifier. My brother barely missed his pro card there. Won it a couple months later at the Des Moines Nutrisport show this year. You guys, if you're within the region, if you're within the area, 7 p.m. gives you time to get off work, get on the train, get to the fucking gym. It's going to be my man, Josh Plattner. He's opening the gym. They close at 8. They're going to keep it open for us, right? All right? Just to be there among such pro. Tommy Jeffers, one of the most shredded natural pros in history. I've never seen anything. I was there when he was prepping. We spent a lot of time on the road together. He actually worked with the company I used to own, and we spent a lot of time on the road. He is a militant freak when it comes to prep and training, and it shows with his conditioning. Chad Austin, president of OCB, amazing athlete. I can't wait to be there. I can't wait to see you there. If you're within a 400-mile radius, you need to come to this event, man. It's my birthday. It's literally my birthday, man. That means that we're going to Denny's afterwards because I got a fucking coupon in my email for a free Grand Slam. So y'all can buy your own fucking dinner because it's my turn for a free Grand Slam. Club Reps, the best gym in the Chicago suburbs. I swear it's the best gym. Club Reps, Naperville, Illinois, in the Menards parking lot. Come there. Address is in the description below. I will see you there. Happy birthday to me, bitches. Time to train some chest. What other thing to train on my birthday than the only thing God gave me, which is a fucking great chest. Other than that, I have nothing. All right? I can't even grow a good beard. This is disturbingly bad. Anyway, guys, I appreciate it. Mark Lobliner, Machine Militia. Because celebrating your birthday with a bunch of fucking meatheads, that's not a game.